I'm Nick Padfield, Technical Product Manager at Amphenol Broadband Solutions. I'm here at ANGA COM 2025 to discuss and present Amphenol's Fibre to the Home portfolio and our coaxial cable broadband portfolio of products.
Hi, we are here at the Amphenol stand. We have today a setup here to demonstrate two of our big new technologies.
Amphenol CableCon is offering an expanded range of drop connectors and cable splices to accompany the Amphenol Broadband Solutions range of Class A++ drop cables. The updated range of connectors from CableCon and coaxial cable from Amphenol Broadband Solutions will support signals operating up to 3 GHz and beyond, future-proofing the coaxial cable network for many years and supporting future DOCSIS standards.
We have the 100G coherent C-temp, but also the I-temp. We have the coherent 100G normal power minus 8 dBms, but we also have the high transmit power. Apart from that, we have our 100G modules working on both SFF and CMOS.